in the house, and because the sex game is whack.
Because the sex game is whack, it's low.
It's work, it's low or non-existent.
Or non-existent.
What makes it?
No, he works. Nema,
Guys, I know.
this one.
Fanta orange. Fanta orange and Fanta grape are Fantas. But they have different flavors. But the point is that
Can I?
if you want to leave a Fanta orange
Ladies, I have a question.
for a Fanta grape, you need to be sure about that Fanta grape.
Yeah.
Because you'll have to taste the Fanta
And
grape.
there's a reason
you
why
wanna
someone
forgo
left
the
Fanta orange for grape.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. But ladies, I have a question. Right?
Alright.
So does big size matter?
No. Okay, for me, can I speak for myself? Obviously I've never been the other lady.
Oh, girl, come in, can't you?
So, okay, can I go first in this one?
No, go first.
For me,
Yeah.
I've never been another person. I can only speak from my own experience, and I can only speak from being from what.
So size doesn't matter.
For me, it doesn't. First of all, if you've got a big dick, I'm sorry, I'm trying to keep my uterus. I can't. I'm sorry. Some of us are trying to keep our uterus. You know?
Visit Limpopo.
If it's too big for me, I will tell you, no. Because I'm not even going to enjoy having sex with you because, like, my guy, I'm trying to keep my uterus and thank you very much. It's good that you are blessed, but not
So what if he's this size, huh?
Okay.
And then he can jiggle it.
Yeah.
my thing.
And after one stroke, he's dead, he's finished, he came. One stroke.
That's where I'm going. That's where I'm going.
Okay.
See, I personally don't do big deals. No, thank you very much. Can I? No, but this is a me thing.
Can I answer the
Average
Can
is
I
a thing for me. Small, you need to know how to play the game.
How to wobble it.
If you cannot, because there are guys with small dicks, but my gosh,
Their performance.
dude, it's like.
I need to buy the form to compensate.
It makes you,
You know?
call all the grannies.
Yeah, you'll be like, oh my gosh, I didn't know you can do that.
Can I come in?
But then again,
It's short.
sometimes for a woman to be satisfied sexually, in order for a woman to be satisfied sexually, it's not only about the strokes.
True.
There's like a whole lot of things that
Or the
comes-
size.
or the size.
That
There
does
are
not matter.
a whole lot of things that comes into play when you are having sex.
Yeah.
Sometimes some women, it's like
the
the way he
there's the threshold.
for some women it's like
The way
the way
he
he
handles it.
touches me
The way you handle
is
it.
enough for
In
me to
general.
reach an orgasm.
True.
Some women it's like there's a certain point in through
He can make you reach orgasm before even putting it in. I'm
Exactly.
telling you.
Exactly.
Yeah, you
So
will hit the jackpot then.
And to be honest,
it's just to their own, basically.
Yeah.
But for me, size doesn't matter.
for most of us women, when it comes to sex, for us to reach, I'm speaking for most women
Yeah,
here,
yeah.
with being 100%.
It's not easy
Yeah.
to reach
It's
orgasm.
not
No, it's
about
not.
how big or small it is. It's
Yeah.
about where you touch. It's
Touch
about how
is
you
everything.
you touch before you insert it.
Yeah.
That's one thing you guys don't know. Sometimes if you know how to touch, how to do your things,
Everyone just cut.
before.
If you know how to do it right.
You need to know how
Do you
to do
understand
it
the good thing
correctly.
as a woman?
Yes, you
You
are
have to
right.
hit the right spot.
You are right.
It's not about
even
You are right.
before,
Here comes
maybe
my
maybe
point.
even before he can even touch your veg.
Yes.
Just him touching
You're warm already.
you.
You're wet
are
already.
Yeah,
That turns you on.
Yeah.
That already turns you on.
Can I tell you something?
prepares you
Can I say something?
for
can be
orgasm.
enough
We
for
call
you
it
to
having sex before sex.
Can I say
Huh?
something?
We call it having sex before sex.
Just before we can close, guys.
Guys,
Do you
can I
think
say something?
that men will ever not be able to not cheat? Or this is just a thing that we are fighting that will never get
Nah,
to
you
end?
It will never end.
Okay, let me raise this.
So
Men actually do like polygamy, but with the situation that we're in now, economically and everything that is going bad for us, we cannot afford to have 2 or 3 women.
Can I get
Yeah.
totally. Can I ask you
Our
something?
forefathers used to marry 5, or we'll have Monday, Tuesday,
Because the
Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
currency,
You
because the
understand?
currency that time was
was
in
like
a form
farming and farming and farming and
was
farming.
in a form of
Like
farming.
maybe
But
like
now,
an answer
you
to
can buy a
that.
Lamborghini, a Maserati,
Can I tell?
and,
Can I?
you know,
Okay,
a Mustang.
we've got 30 more minutes.
Yeah.
Do we?
We have.
Oh,
30
our time
minutes.
is the next
Yes.
So,
For 30 minutes only though.
It's
30
not,
minutes
it's not
only.
easy for men, you know, these days because women actually, I don't think we have more women than men. Right?
Of course.
Yeah.
That's always been the case.
It's a big problem.
But remember, don't be too stereotyped about the whole thing. Women cheat as well.
Yeah, they do.
Women are serial cheaters.
They do.
I'm not going to lie.
And you won't even see them. You know, it's
Exactly.
difficult
That's
for
why
men
we
to see
base
them.
this on men. Will men stop cheating?
Oh,
Women, will we
speaking-
stop cheating?
Speaking of that,
Because we are serial cheaters.
Yeah.
that's what I was about to ask
We
you.
have
We
already
cheat and
acknowledged
clean it up very
that.
fast. I'm not
But
going to
can I, can I,
lie.
can I,
I've
can
been
I,
very transparent now.
well,
Women
Do.
can I ask you guys
Women, we are
something?
serial cheaters.
Yeah.
And we clean it up.
Yeah.
Guys,
I'm not saying the women are cheating.
Yeah.
I'm saying
You see them?
women.
We can check.
Can I ask you guys something?
Yeah.
What?
What? Can I
That's
just,
why
can I
that's
just-
why we all break it down to. That's why it's easy for us to know when you guys are cheating.
Yes.
Because we
That's
are.
easy. You are
That's
more
where it
experienced.
starts.
Yeah.
I'm cheating, and then what I'll do is I will start accusing you for cheating.
Thank you.
Because I'm already busy with something on my side.
Yeah.
Now I'm thinking, what if I'm doing this and he's also doing
Doing
this?
it.
thing? You
That is
understand?
true. That is true.
Okay, I do 1, 2, 3. I shove my phone. We can say good night, babe.
Yeah.
Trust me,
Yeah.
we're not going to bed.
Yeah.
I'm just saying, don't call me.
Yeah.
Say good
Don't,
night.
I'll call you,
I'll
baby.
call you.
I'll
Don't
call you
call me,
tomorrow.
I'll call you.
Sharp.
Yeah.
Then you know I'm
Can I
busy
ask-
with something. And
Yeah.
when you play that ticket on me and say, good night, babe, talk tomorrow, then I know.
Yeah.
Then I
Can
start
I-
accusing
can I-
you.
can I
ask you
Women
something?
are cheating.
A woman
Because
can
you
give
know.
Because I know, that's my
Yeah.
game plan.
Yeah,
But
woman
can I
can
ask you
give
guys
you-
something before we?
You only know the
move on,
poison because
based-
you've used
based
it
on,
before,
Based
ne?
on what you just said now,
Yeah.
I'm asking guys.
Yeah.
But also, obviously, but I want to hear from the guys'
Yeah.
perspective because I've heard a lot of guys saying women are better cheaters than men. Men are messy. Men are very.
I
Yeah.
second that
Yeah.
so much.
Can I tell you
So,
why?
why do you think, as men, why do you think women are better cheaters than you?
Because men have cheated with women who were cheating with their husband. On their husband. I mean, that's how simple it is. Because like I told you, I'm not a cheater. So
Of
I know
course, Ray,
I've
of
seen
course.
I've seen guys cheating. Ne?
Yes.
He was dating a girl who was married. Ne? Then she would tell him the right time to
Of course,
call
you
him.
heard
Yeah.
it.
And that's why, and she was open and frank about her relationship status. And he complied with the requirement. So that's why they
You don't
become
call
so-
it this
when
time,
men
you
cheat,
don't come at this time.
when a man cheat, he will lie to you and say he does not even have a wife.
Mm-hmm.
He does not even. So it's even when he's at home, his phone is off. You won't switch off your phone because you told the brother, don't even call. So that's why men would
During
say
this
that.
time, or
Yeah.
first text me before you
Oh,
call.
first text me.
That's
so
why I'm
men,
saying we are serial cheaters. You
And
know, we
even if you-
prepare, we plan, we 10 steps ahead of these guys.
Of course.
That's
because
why when they cheat,
do you think it's because we're emotional beings?
I'd
think
like
that
to believe that.
contributes.
Yes.
It does,
Yes.
to a certain
Yes.
extent.
I know that is very
Okay.
true.
Yeah.
I think a woman wants to be
And
actually.
we're very observant as well.
And,
Yeah, yeah,
and
yeah.
I
They're
always
very
Oh,
ignorant.
We pay attention to
Yes, we
detail.
pay
Yeah.
attention.
Yeah,
Definitely. Yes.
So let me ask all of you now, what constitutes cheating? Let me put it this way. The do's
Doing something
and
that your partner
don'ts.
won't like. You know she wanna prove.
Anisha,
No,
remember
no,
earlier?
she's asking-
Remember earlier we said there are degrees to cheating. So is me talking to a certain guy
On the phone.
on the phone?
Like fleeting.
If you're talking like that, you are cheating. You see the way you're talking?
But wait, but this is what this is where I'm going with this. What constitutes cheating to you individually? Because there's just flirting.
Yes.
There's there is I'm going through things generally, like not necessarily in my relationship, but I wanna confide in a certain guy, which some are saying that's an emotional cheating type of thing. Which one is worse, the physical cheating or the emotional cheating?
Emotional cheating is worse. Because remember now, you are given time, or rather space. Immediately when a man gives me a lot of time, free time,
Yeah.
that's when I start letting other dogs, or rather other men, to come and
Yeah.
play. The playground.
Yes,
He's not
and
giving
Or
then-
you
whereas,
He's not giving you attention.
but
Yeah.
now he's not giving me attention, and I've got free time.
Yeah.
And at
You
that
can
free
do
time,
anything.
women, when we're given time and space,
You
that's
can
when
go
we are
hit
allowed
it
to
and
do
come back.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
That's when we'll say, okay, fine. He's there, he's giving me time. Now I'm chatting to a friend. Remember, I friend zone this guy. That's why we have a thing called friend zone.
But do you,
That friend, remember that friend?
yeah.
We actually flirt.
But do you know, you see, this is what I was speaking about. I was
It's
speaking
more
on
emotional.
earlier on.
Yeah.
Because when you're going to embark in a relationship journey with a person, cultivate the friendship first in
Yeah.
order for you guys to be able to talk about anything. And one thing I've noticed is that people who have sustained in relationships for years and years and years on end,
It's
it's
best
because they became
Best
friends
friends.
before
They started dating.
Yes.
Because you always have that side.
in as much as, but now my thing is, because in most cases us as women, we tend to catch feelings faster than men. My thing is, I have seen it, I have tried it. I can't speak for other people.